Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on WhatsApp. To not fix or how to solve denied account on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you will enter to the window or to the app of WhatsApp and we click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your data as you see or your informations. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.